Hi everyone, Sandy here, and I just wanted to do a quick little video showing you the final Patreon package for my bluegrass tier group. So let me kind of show you what we have here. Let me move these out of the way. So these are some of the vintage items. So each patron will get a different vintage Christmas music page. Also this vintage holly envelope and a vintage red doily. And these are so pretty, and there's such a nice texture and quality, and there's embossing on there. Really like those. And then the next thing that they will receive is this fun vellum pocket. And I got this inspiration from Taperlogy. I did a haul video from Taperlogy, and some of their items came in an envelope similar to this. But I changed it up. I die cut out a little poinsettia and some greenery and added a Tim Holtz little phrase right there. So you can see you have the little eyelets that hold the pocket together. And then I just added some string here. And then inside the pocket, I'll get this decorated little envelope. And I guess it's a, what is it, a coin envelope, I think those are called. So some washi tape, a fun little embossed stamp there. I did something similar on my collaboration video with Rach and Bella. So if you haven't seen that, check that out. And then inside, we have some wax seals that I made. So each pack will be a little bit different. Each one will get a Merry Christmas, but then these will be a little bit different for each individual kit. But I love the color combinations on these. Excuse me. And then also they will get a beautiful embossed digital with a gold doily, and then it's backed with coffee dyed paper. So you can make it a journaling card, turn it into a tag. And then the other item is this beautiful gold foiled Christmas card. I got this at Barnes & Noble, but I just thought that was such a beautiful card and envelope. So I really love how this embossing, so I sprayed some papers with the Tim Holtz inks, the Christmas mica sprays, and then cut out these images and then put a little little decorative paper behind it. I love how that came out. And then the next thing, they'll get this envelope. It's chock full of goodies. So in this envelope, they'll get a really pretty cardinal bird napkin that they can decoupage with. They can turn into tags, all sorts of things they can do, plus the bag. And then I really love, this is one of my favorite things I made, is this beautiful fabric tag with this lace on here. And I did some decorative sewing. This is a metallic thread. And then, so I bubble wrap the little ball that has some glitter inside of it. Let me grab one. So this is what they look like. And each one's a little bit different. But I thought that could protect it during shipping. And then I made these Taperlogy tags, and this is a little side tuck. And then here is another Taperlogy tag, and I added a pretty little Christmas charm on there. And each one of these will be a little bit different. And then I have some vintage playing cards that are cardinal bird and holly themed. And then a fun little Merry Christmas note paper, and then a fun kind of a faux postcard image. So that'll all be in the paper bag, and each bag will be a little bit different. And then next they'll get this fun little clear bag with this pretty lace image on there. And then here's another little top loading envelope that I decorated. Love this vintage Santa. And this is some old ribbon. Love the little glitter on here. And then inside of this, there's a few little surprises as well. So they'll get this, they'll get a tag, either this one or another one that has berries and holly on it. And I did some glossy accents on there. And then some fun little stickers, and and this is a sticker that I made. So each one of these will be a little bit different as well. So lots of fun things down in this little pocket. And then they will also get a spine dangle, and it has all different types of ribbons and fabric strips and pom-poms. And then there's different charms and beads, little candy cane, bead and buttons, and a little jingle bell. And here's a little snowflake and a Christmas tree and a light bulb. And here is a wreath. So they're all a little bit different. They're all a little bit different, but similar. And I love this pom-pom. The red and white and this green lace. All right, so that is what my patrons, and they'll also get a newsletter from me. So they'll also get their newsletter. And this is for the bluegrass tier. It is currently sold out, but I have opened up a new $8 tier. And in the $8 tier, you don't get as many things, but you'll get handmade items from me, and they'll go in a standard US mail envelope. And also you'll get the access to the digitals and the member only videos that I put up there. But yeah, I had so much fun making this kit and putting all these items together. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all on the next video. Bye.